Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and today what we're going to do is make a really simple but effective facial toner using some different herbs. This is brought to you by Earthseed Detroit. These are my new labels. I ordered them from a little place that customizes labels. I'm really pleased with them. I think they are adding a nice little spice and flavor to the products when I choose to package them up like that. So, yeah, loving those. So what we're going to do, like I said, is create a basic facial toner. All you need is an 8-ounce mason jar to put your herbs in, and we're going to be using a base of witch hazel. You can use any kind of witch hazel that you like. It could be organic, it could be small batch manufactured. It might be something that's just something, a regular one from Meyer. Either way, the base is witch hazel. The herbs that we're going to use first is elderflower, which has anti-wrinkle and anti-aging benefits. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it's rich in vitamins and flavonoids. It helps protect against the sun. The next herb that we're going to use are some organic rose petals, and they have therapeutic benefits that are relaxing to the body, reduces stress, and promote glowing skin. Rose petals also help lock moisture into dry skin cells. So we're going to add that to our mixture. And the next thing that we're going to add to our blend is some plantain. I'm proud of this plantain because I picked it myself, I dried it myself, and I only have a little bit, but that's fine. This is just a little personal batch of plantain for my personal use. So that's why I'm going in here without a glove on. If I were making this for resale, of course, we would wear gloves throughout the process. But plantain helps promote skin regeneration, and it helps reduce scarring if you have a wound of some sort. It's good for acne. It's actually germicide and antibacterial. So that make it really nice for soothing the skin. It's good for sunburn. Also, so we're just going to crumble it up and add it to our mixture. And that is our awesome Vandalia plantain. Yes! We're also going to add some lavender. In addition to smelling really good, lavender is another anti-inflammatory herb, and it has a very therapeutic scent. It helps to moisturize the skin, and it can kill any pore clogging bacteria. We are going to use some chamomile flowers, which is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. It helps to decongest clogged pores. Again, chamomile is really good for acne. So we're going to put that in there. See those beautiful buds that are going into our mix? Isn't that looking beautiful? Just such a lovely way to treat your skin. I love it. And the last herb that we're going to add to our mix is chickweed. Now, chickweed, in addition to being anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antifungal, it is very soothing for any itching and inflammation. It's good for sores and rashes, eczema, psoriasis. Really an awesome skin loving herb. So we're going to put that in there as well. So As you can see, we have our beautiful blend. All of these herbs have properties that are so good for the skin. These are our beautiful herbs that we have, and we're just going to lightly toss them, but mix them up a little bit. And then we're going to put them in our mason jar right here. Now we're going to fill our mason jar about halfway to 1/3, about 1/3 to halfway full of our dried herb blend. So we have just enough here. Put that good plantain leaf in there. So that's about 1/3. And next what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of calendula flower tincture. It's another excellent herb for the skin. And I'm just going to add a little bit because this is an alcohol-based tincture, but I just want to have some of that essence in it. If you had dried calendula, you could add that too. So I'm just going to add 1 spoonful of calendula tincture. So we're just going to take 1 spoonful of this gorgeous, gorgeous tincture. And add that right in. As usual, I am spilling everything. Okay. Anyway, now we're going to add our witch hazel and fill it to the top. So now what you can see here are all of our delicious herbs and a little bit of calendula tincture that have been put into a jar with some witch hazel. This doesn't have to soak long. It can soak about a week or 2, and then you can strain it and use it on a cotton ball, or splash it with your hands on your face. I would avoid the eyes, but all of these are wonderful skin conditioning herbs. And yeah, that's just a quick little how-to. And I will see you at the next video. And as always, take care.